Employer Profile, Morgan Stanley. The following is the introduction section of the 10K for Morgan Stanley. We are a global financial services firm that, through our subsidiaries and affiliates, advises, and originates, trades, manages and distributes capital for, governments, institutions and individuals. We were originally incorporated under the laws of the state of Delaware in 1981, and our predecessor companies date back to 1924. We are a financial holding company, FHC, regulated by the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System, Federal Reserve, under the Bank Holding Company Act of 1956, as amended, BHC Act. We conduct our business from our headquarters in and around New York City, our regional offices and branches throughout the U.S. and our principal offices in London, Tokyo, Hong Kong and other world financial centers. Business segments. We are a global financial services firm that maintains significant market positions in each of our business segments. Institutional securities, wealth management and investment management. Through our subsidiaries and affiliates, we provide a wide variety of products and services to a large and diversified group of clients and customers, including corporations, governments, financial institutions and individuals. Additional information related to our business segments, respective clients, and products and services provided is included under management's discussion and analysis of financial condition and results of operations. Institutional securities. Institutional securities provides a variety of products and services to corporations, governments, financial institutions and ultra-high net worth clients. Investment banking services consist of capital raising and financial advisory services, including the underwriting of debt, equity and other securities, as well as advice on mergers and acquisitions, restructurings and project finance. Our equity and fixed income businesses include sales, financing, prime brokerage, market making, Asia wealth management services and certain business-related investments. Lending activities include originating corporate loans and commercial real estate loans, providing secured lending facilities, and extending securities-based and other financing to customers. Other activities include research. Wealth management. Wealth management provides a comprehensive array of financial services and solutions to individual investors and small to medium-sized businesses and institutions covering financial advisor-led brokerage and investment advisory services, self-directed brokerage services, financial and wealth planning services, workplace services, including stock plan administration, annuity and insurance products, securities-based lending, residential real estate loans and other lending products, banking, and retirement plan services. Investment management. Investment management provides a broad range of investment strategies and products that span geographies, asset classes, and public and private markets to a diverse group of clients across institutional and intermediary channels. Strategies and products, which are offered through a variety of investment vehicles, include equity, fixed income, alternatives and solutions, and liquidity and overlay services. Institutional clients include defined benefit/defined contribution plans, foundations, endowments, government entities, sovereign wealth funds, insurance companies, third-party fund sponsors and corporations. Individual clients are generally served through intermediaries, including affiliated and non-affiliated distributors. Investment banking. Investment banking revenues are derived from client engagements in which we act as an advisor, underwriter or distributor of capital. Within the institutional securities business segment, these revenues are primarily composed of fees earned from underwriting equity and fixed income securities, syndicating loans and advisory services in relation to mergers and acquisitions, divestitures and corporate restructurings. Within the wealth management business segment, these revenues are derived from the distribution of newly issued securities. Asset management. Asset management revenues include fees associated with the management and supervision of assets and the distribution of funds and similar products. Within the wealth management business segment, asset management revenues are related to advisory services associated with fee-based assets, account service and administration, as well as distribution of products. These revenues are generally based on the net asset value of the account in which a client is invested. Within the investment management business segment, asset management revenues are primarily composed of fees received from investment vehicles on the basis of assets under management. Institutional securities, fixed income and equities. Fixed income and equities net revenues are composed of trading revenues, commissions and fees, asset management revenues, net interest, and certain investments and other revenues directly attributable to those businesses. These revenues, which can be affected by a variety of interrelated factors, including market volumes, bid-offer spreads, and the impact of market conditions on inventory held to facilitate client activity, as well as the effect of hedging activity, are viewed in the aggregate when assessing the performance and profitability of our businesses.